How to make turmeric lemonade to relieve depression and stress. Turmeric, or curcuma longa, curcuma domestica, is a plant that has been used in the traditional Chinese and Ayurvedic medicine for centuries and is one of the most powerful natural remedies. It has strong medicinal properties that have been found to be useful in the case of countless health issues, including amenorrhea, fever, gallstones, headaches, anemia, cancer, Alzheimer's disease, common cold, conjunctivitis, diabetes, multiple sclerosis, HIV/AIDS, diarrhea, edema, hemorrhoids, ingestion, inflammation, irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, liver disease, joint inflammation, osteoarthritis, bronchitis, bursitis, sexually transmitted diseases, for example hepatitis C, genital herpes, urinary tract infections, arthritis, atherosclerosis, and more. Turmeric has also been scientifically confirmed to improve cognition and mental health, as its active ingredient, curcumin, improves mood, relieves stress, and treats depression. Turmeric effectively fights inflammation in the body, and it can drastically reduce cognition and affect brain function. Curcumin is a polyphenol, which successfully reduces inflammation markers. Robert J. Hedaya, M.D., a psychiatrist and clinical professor of psychiatry at the Georgetown University Medical Center, explains that inflammation affects hormones and other neurotransmitters in the brain, and lowers serotonin levels, which causes anxiety and depression, as well as memory issues. It also increases dopamine levels and contributes to agitation and anxiety. A 2010 study published in the journal Immunology showed that chronic immune activation is a common feature of neurodegenerative diseases, trauma, ischemia, infections, and immune-mediated disorders. On the other hand, curcumin has potent antidepressant and anti-anxiety effects that normalize specific physiological pathways, elevates serotonin levels, and reduces stress hormones. Therefore, here is how to make a delicious turmeric lemonade at home in order to lower stress and treat anxiety. Ingredients: 4 tablespoons of freshly ground turmeric root, ½ cup of fresh lemon juice, ½ cup of orange juice, 5 cups of water, 3 tablespoons of honey, raw preferred, 2 teaspoons of grated ginger. Instructions: boil the water, mix turmeric and ginger into a glass jar, and pour the boiled water over them. Steep for minutes, and add the honey. Stir and strain the mixture. Add the lemon juice, leave it to cool, and enjoy it. Moreover, if you intend to buy turmeric supplements in order to additionally reap the health benefits of this amazing spice, make sure you have the following in mind. Many turmeric supplements have other additives like black pepper. This is a result of the fact that the curcumin molecule isn't easily absorbed by the body, but it can be aided by the pepper. It boosts your body's ability to absorb it by 2000%. If your turmeric capsule does not contain pepper, you can swallow a few peppercorns with the supplement to help the absorption of the turmeric. Curcumin is not water-soluble, meaning that it does not dissolve, so it would be best to take the supplement with a fatty meal to boost your body's reception of the molecule. Namely, it is extremely fat-soluble, so it attaches to the lipids in the body.